In a world where engineering meets extreme logistics, massive industrial titans embark on extraordinary journeys that push the boundaries of what's possible on our roads, seas, and railways. From colossal beer tanks winding through Czech villages to 800-ton refinery equipment inching across industrial complexes, these metal giants demand precision measured in millimeters despite their mammoth proportions. Let's dive in as we explore the most spectacular heavy transport operations, where one wrong move could spell disaster and every successful delivery marks a triumph of human ingenuity. Transportation of a colossal beer tank. In the Czech Republic, a massive beer tank undertook an extraordinary journey between Kralov and Nosevice. This industrial giant, dedicated to the nation's most beloved beverage, stretches an impressive 34 meters in length. That's longer than 3 standard city buses lined up end to end. The tank's dimensions present a formidable challenge for road transport. At 4.7 meters wide and 5.7 meters high, it towers over normal traffic, requiring careful navigation around every obstacle. Weighing in at 49 tons, this specialized brewing equipment equals the weight of about 7 full-grown African elephants. The transport route winds through the Czech countryside, demanding precise maneuvering through towns, around corners, and under power lines. Every bridge, every tunnel, and every overhead obstacle along the route required careful consideration. This isn't just any routine delivery. It's a crucial piece of the Czech Republic's renowned brewing infrastructure making its way to its new home. The journey stands as a testament to the scale of modern brewing operations, where single pieces of equipment can reach proportions that push the boundaries of road transport capabilities. This specialized tank, designed to help create one of the Czech Republic's most famous exports, represents another chapter in the nation's centuries-old brewing tradition. Handling of refinery equipment. In the heart of industrial engineering, a mammoth undertaking unfolded. The mobilization of a colossal piece of refinery equipment stretching an incredible 111 meters long. At 802 tons, this steel giant weighs as much as 5 fully loaded Boeing 747s combined. The operation demanded absolute perfection, with each movement planned down to the millimeter. The journey began at the discharge point, where specialized heavy lift equipment engaged in a carefully choreographed sequence. Like a synchronized dance of machinery and precision, the massive component was rolled off its transport vessel. Every turn, every adjustment had to be exact. There was zero margin for error in this high-stakes operation. Through a meticulously planned route, this industrial behemoth made its way into the refinery complex. Teams of engineers monitored every phase, from initial lifting to final positioning. Safety protocols and engineering calculations were double and triple checked at each milestone. The slightest miscalculation could have led to severe consequences, but the operation proceeded with clockwork precision. This remarkable feat of industrial logistics showcases what's possible when engineering excellence meets meticulous planning. The successful installation marks another milestone in refinery operations, proving that even the most challenging industrial moves can be executed flawlessly with proper preparation and expertise. Project Heavy Lift Boiler. Here is another remarkable operation: the delivery of 3 mammoth boilers from Korea. Each of these industrial giants stands 15 meters tall, spans 20 meters in length, and stretches 16 meters wide. At 450 tons each, these behemoths weigh as much as 30 fully loaded semi-trucks combined. The operation kicked off at the specialized jetty, where a mother vessel carrying these massive units arrived after its journey across the ocean. The critical phase began as each boiler was carefully discharged from the ship. Every centimeter of movement was governed by precise calculations and rigorous safety protocols. Through the intricate network of refinery roads, these industrial titans made their way to their final destination. The route demanded exceptional precision. Each turn presented its own challenge. Each straight section required perfect alignment. The massive dimensions of the boilers meant that clearances had to be checked and double-checked at every point of the journey. This intensive logistics operation showcases the pinnacle of heavy transport engineering. From the initial vessel discharge to the final positioning, Each phase of the movement was orchestrated with military precision. The successful delivery of all 3 units demonstrates the incredible capabilities of modern industrial logistics, where even the most challenging cargo can be transported safely and efficiently. Transport of LPG tanks. 2 colossal LPG storage tanks embarked on a remarkable maritime journey along Poland's Baltic coast. These industrial titans stand as masterpieces of engineering. Each one stretches an incredible 75 meters in length, with a diameter of 6 meters, dwarfing everything in their vicinity. To put their size into perspective, each tank equals the length of 2.5 tennis courts placed end to end. These massive cylinders aren't just impressive in size. Each vessel boasts a capacity of 2,100 cubic meters and tips the scales at a staggering 400 tons. That's equivalent to the weight of about 30 fully loaded semi-trucks, all contained in a single storage unit. The journey began at Gdynia's industrial port, where these behemoths were manufactured under precise specifications. A specialized vessel then transported these giants along Poland's coastline, navigating through the Baltic Sea waters toward their destination in Szczecin. The maritime transport operation spanned 2 days, requiring careful planning and execution to ensure the safe delivery of these enormous structures. This transport operation showcases the incredible capabilities of modern industrial logistics, where even structures as massive as these LPG tanks can be moved safely and efficiently across significant distances. The successful delivery marks another milestone in Poland's industrial infrastructure development, demonstrating the vital role of maritime transport in moving oversized industrial equipment. Transformer transports in Norway. On the winding roads of southern Norway, a dramatic incident unfolded during a high-stakes transport operation to Kvilldal power plant. A massive 225-ton transformer, destined to be part of the groundbreaking first power connection between Norway and Germany, met an unexpected fate on its journey. The narrow Norwegian roads demanded extreme precision. Every millimeter mattered as the specialized transport vehicles navigated each turn and bend. This wasn't just any standard delivery. This transformer represented a crucial component for an international power infrastructure project that would connect 2 nations' electrical grids. But in June 2019, the operation took a dramatic turn. The specialized truck, carrying its 200-ton load, veered off course and overturned, sending the valuable transformer into a roadside ditch. The incident highlighted the intense challenges and risks involved in transporting such massive industrial equipment through challenging terrain. These specialized transformers, manufactured by ABB, are essential components for the power plant's operations. While such transport operations typically proceed without incident, this particular case serves as a stark reminder of the complexities involved in moving super-heavy equipment. The event stands as one of the most significant transport incidents in the region's industrial history, underscoring the critical balance between ambitious infrastructure projects and the challenges of their execution. Czech Special Transport. An extraordinary transport operation unfolded across the Czech Republic as an 85-ton vessel embarked on an epic journey from Tynek nad Labem to Pezolavky. The massive boat, stretching 34 meters in length, first made its way along waterways to reach the Ro-Ro port at Tynek nad Labem. At the port, a spectacular technical operation took place as 2 powerful cranes worked in perfect synchronization to lift this maritime giant onto a specialized transport vehicle. Once secured, the combined transport unit stretched to incredible dimensions, 46 meters long, 6 meters wide, and 5.6 meters high, with a total weight of 168 tons including the transport vehicle. The land journey proved to be an intensive 3-day operation covering approximately 200 kilometers of Czech roads. This remarkable convoy navigated through cities, around corners, and across bridges, requiring precise planning for every meter of the route. The boat's destination, the village of Pezolavky, marks not the end, but a new chapter in its story. Here, it will undergo complete reconstruction and refurbishment before making one final journey to the Nove Mlyny Dam, where it will be launched into its new home waters. This complex operation showcases the incredible capabilities of modern heavy transport logistics, combining water, crane, and road transport in one seamless operation. Colossal industrial cargo. A monumental transport operation pushed the boundaries of logistics as two massive industrial components embarked on an extraordinary journey from Brno to Uzbekistan. The larger of the two, a tail gas superheater weighing 150 tons, commanded a transport unit stretching 47.5 meters long, 5.6 meters wide, and 6.65 meters high, with a total weight of 272.3 tons. Its companion, a 40-ton ammonia evaporator, required a transport configuration of 29.5 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 5.7 meters high. The complexity of this operation demanded a combination of road and water transport. The first leg of the journey traversed previously untested routes between Brno and Bratislava's Danube River port. This segment required unprecedented engineering solutions. Multiple bridges underwent intensive structural analysis, with some requiring hydraulic support systems. For bridges needed reinforcement, while others were bypassed using specialized flyover ramps. The route demanded extensive modifications. Power lines were lifted, railway cables removed, and a roundabout was completely reconstructed. Real-time laser monitoring tracked bridge deflection during crossings, ensuring structural integrity at every step. From Bratislava, these industrial giants continued their journey via river barge down the Danube to Romania's Black Sea port of Constanța, marking just the halfway point of their transcontinental journey to Central Asia via the Caspian Sea. This operation stands as a testament to modern engineering's ability to overcome seemingly impossible logistical challenges. German Transformer Logistics. An extraordinary transport operation unfolded across Germany as two massive transformers made their way through the winter landscape. Each electrical titan weighed in at 416 tons, equivalent to the weight of about 200 cars. When combined with the specialized transport equipment, the convoy stretched to a staggering length of over 100 meters, with a total weight of 850 tons rolling across German roads. The scale of this operation demanded an impressive array of support vehicles. Two dedicated assembly vehicles flanked the massive load, ready to tackle any technical challenges that might arise during the journey. A specialized BF-3 heavy transport escort vehicle led the way, while two auxiliary police units maintained safety and traffic control throughout the operation. The sheer dimensions of this convoy created a spectacular sight, longer than a professional soccer field, winding through the roads between late November and early December. This wasn't just a simple delivery, it was a precisely orchestrated movement of industrial giants that required months of planning, route surveys, and engineering calculations to execute safely. Every bridge crossing, every turn, and every incline needed to be carefully analyzed to ensure these colossal transformers could pass safely. The successful completion of these transports stands as a testament to modern logistics capabilities, where even the most massive industrial equipment can be moved safely through populated areas. Beyond these incredible feats lies an even greater frontier of industrial transport, as manufacturers push the boundaries of size and scale with each passing year. Teams around the world are already planning the next generation of impossible moves. Stay put, and make sure to watch our next videos to witness more impressive and spectacular industrial accomplishments.